right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a canvas, and this is really great if you need to add a portion of, to add any type of section to your website that already is not included. So let me show you how to do that here. So right now we're on the home page. What you can do is go to the page tab up here and click on these three dots next to home, and you're going to click on add new canvas. Now add new canvas can either if you click on add new canvas, it'll bring you to this section here, and you can actually end up going to the Showit library, and these are other sites created by other designers, and they're all free, which is why they're included here. So let's say we wanted Mary Kate by Ribbon and Ink, and let's see, maybe you wanted to see, let's go to home. This will show us what their home page looks like. Okay, let's see what we want to add. Perfect, this gallery section. Okay, so maybe you wanted to add this gallery section to your website, or a gallery. You can actually go over here and click on this, and then you can right here at the bottom apply my fonts and colors. All right, and then we're going to click add. See, there we go, there it goes. And then if you come over here to the left hand side, you can actually drag it up to go wherever you prefer. So I dragged mine up to go right after my intro, and then from here you can go ahead and get to customizing. So you can do lowercase, you see how I did there, and then you come over here, cancel. You can click Oswald, upper, and really make this your own. Oswald, upper. Now you don't exactly have to do this. I'm literally showing you this for, tutorial purposes only, but it's very easy to add canvases without you actually having to build a canvas from scratch. So if you just wanted a simple gallery, you can go ahead and do something like this. Or let me go ahead and delete this gallery. Move it up a little bit. There we go. So let's go ahead and delete it. Or if you wanted to add a section to your website that needs to be completely customized by yourself, you would click on these three dots, then the drop down menu pops up, and then you would click on add blank canvas. Now I would go ahead and double click and name the canvas whatever you'd like. So maybe we wanted to do our own galleries. Okay, now you see right here this little white canvas at the very bottom has been added, and we can drag that up to wherever we want on our website. So I've placed it above. Actually, let's try to put that one down. Perfect. Okay, now it's between. So now let's say maybe I wanted to add a gallery here. That's what I would do. It would be done in this section. What I do recommend is if you're going to add a new canvas to your website from scratch without using anything that's pre-made, I recommend you having more knowledge on how to use Showit. And if it's something that's absolutely necessary, you can either go down here, there's view help documents, and this will bring you to the Showit Help Center, and you can type in here add galleries. Perfect. And it says right here how to add a gallery widget, or add images to a gallery, how to add a sliding gallery, tiled gallery. It comes in handy truly and tremendously when you are trying to learn the platform, if you're trying to do some really deep customizations. But that's how you would add a brand new canvas. And let me go ahead and try and delete this. You're awesome. All right, so now we're back to the beginning, how it was. All right, if you have any questions, definitely head over to the Facebook support group and ask there. Or you can reach out to me by email at hello@bwpdesignstudio.com, and I'll be more than happy to lend a helping hand.